Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates and videos. Hey there kids. Today, we're going to talk all about YouTube. YouTube is a super cool website where you can watch all sorts of videos on just about anything you can imagine. From funny cat videos to awesome science experiments, YouTube has it all. One of the best things about YouTube is that there are so many different channels to choose from. A channel is like a TV show, but on the internet. You can subscribe to your favorite channels so you never miss a new video. Some channels are all about playing video games, while others teach you how to draw or make crafts. There's something for everyone on YouTube. But wait, before you start watching videos on YouTube, it's important to remember a few things. First, always ask a grown-up before you go on YouTube. They can help you find safe and appropriate videos to watch. It's also a good idea to watch videos in a common area of your house, like the living room, so your grown-up can keep an eye on what you're watching. Now, let's talk about some of the awesome things you can do on YouTube. You can search for videos on just about any topic you can think of. Want to learn how to make slime? There's a video for that. Interested in dinosaurs? There are tons of videos about them on YouTube. You can even watch cartoons and music videos on YouTube. Another cool thing about YouTube is that you can leave comments on videos. You can tell the person who made the video what you liked about it or ask them questions. Just remember to always be kind and respectful in your comments. If you see a mean comment, it's best to ignore it and move on to something else. If you really love a video, you can give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. This lets the person who made the video know that you enjoyed it. You can also share videos with your friends by copying the link and sending it to them. It's a fun way to show your friends cool videos you found on YouTube. One thing to be careful of on YouTube is ads. Sometimes, before a video starts, you might see a short commercial. These are called ads, and they help the people who make the videos earn money. If you see an ad that you don't like, you can always skip it after a few seconds. Just remember to always ask a grown-up if you're not sure about something you see on YouTube. So there you have it, kids. YouTube is a fun and exciting place to watch videos and learn new things. Just remember to always be safe and smart while you're on the site. With so many awesome videos to choose from, you'll never run out of things to watch on YouTube. Happy watching! And don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates and videos.